Welcome to HD Pocket Doors. Let's take a look at some pocket door frames. Well, let's take a look here. The first one we've got, this is our 3500 series infused with the Hawa 100Z system. And it has soft close, soft open capabilities from a 32-inch wide door and will carry up to a 220-pound door. So we use the Hawa system, and we can use their low profile version, the Hawa B version as well. Over to my left, we've got our 5500 Converging belt drive system, and this one is an automated unit. It has Bluetooth capabilities. It can hook up to your automated home system as well. You can hook it up to your remote, or you can use the hand wave system on it. So this one is offered in both converging pair, and then we've also got it for single units. So you can see over here, we can do it for a single door as well. And that one has you can use the hand wave, or it comes with the remote also. These will hold up to a 400-pound door, and we have a variety of sizes available on our website on those too. Next, we've got a new addition, and this is our transom unit. You've got transom windows and doors in your project, and you want to incorporate that into your pocket doors. We can do that. This unit has a steel header assembly infused into our unit so that you don't need a header above it, and then you can still do your soft close and soft open just like you would on any of our frames. We can do this for any size wall. This one is in a 2x6 wall. And then let me show you kind of around the back side of this, and you can see what it looks like. What makes this one special is how low profile the header assembly can be on this. We use a 1-inch tubular steel header at the top, the plate on each side that fastens into the trimmers. Then we mount our track and our post system to that. We're off to the races. You don't need any header assembly above that. It will support itself. And we can do that on a single or a pair unit as well. We can do that in a Blackout edition with our black track. This one has our clear anodized track in there. You're gonna end up with about 4.5 inches from the top of your cladding to the bottom of it. And as you do like a casement window above that. Very cool addition here. And we can custom make these for any size. How about back to another cool automated system? This is the Way unit. So this one, you've seen it. Videos of this one circulating. This one here, you can do very fast. This one is available in 32 and 36-inch wide doors and 80 and 96-inch. And this is for a 2x4 wall. This is an all-inclusive kit that comes from our partner Way, and it can hold up to a 65-pound door, 1 3/8 door. And then you've also got your remote on the other side of it. This has magnetic jam capability, so you can access all the components inside of the wall, and you don't have to worry about ever having to open up the wall to get in there. So definitely keep an eye on this thing here, because this thing's going places. Very cool. All right, so here we have our HDPDCS series with Blackout. This one will hold up to a 350-pound door with soft close, soft open features. Without soft close, same track, you can go up to a 500-pound track. And then you can see, again, we've got our black anodized track up at the head, and we black out inside that header just to make that thing vanish at the top. It's cool because it can match your black hardware that you've got on there. Really cool thing with our systems are you can put electrical outlet in here. There's room inside of our pocket that you can put an electrical box in there for an outlet or a switch. You don't have to worry about it rubbing the inside of your door. Next, we've got our 5500 Synchro series. This system is set up with the tracking hardware from Sugatsune America, and it can do a synchronized door from 28 inches and up with soft close, soft open. From 28 up to 35 inches, it can hold a 88-pound door. And then from 36 inches and up, you can go up to a 176-pound door. Let's step around the other side. You can see kind of the inside of the workings on this thing. We can see the inside of what's the guts of this system. So this one has a pulley system at the top with a cable. It's got the soft close mechanisms all pre-set up inside the track. This is the only system right now that can do soft close, soft open, synchronized. And then paired with our system really makes it unstoppable. You can have a light switch or outlet inside there as well. Next, we're going to take a look again at our dog kid gate. This one lets a pocket gate slide into the opening, and you don't have to have any track or hardware inside the opening. Whatever your door walk-through width is going to be, you're going to have double that in your pocket. And we can come around the backside and check this out and see the inside, the guts of this system. What this is going to look like on the inside, we've got a bottom floor track that we supply with this with ball bearing rollers to keep that inside so that you don't have to worry about this thing being rickety. It's going to be very sturdy inside here. The pocket system of this, we use our tubular steel posts to make up that pocket. Now, if you say, what if I want to have, not always just have a gate coming across here, I'd like to have a pocket door sliding the other way. Well, we can show you. So here, you can have a dog gate that slides one direction. That one can come over and it can close into your pocket door on the other side. Now you can have a pocket door that closes from this direction. So you can have two choices. You can close off the entire opening with pocket door on one side, or you can slide the gate from the other direction. And you can still lock that in on that side. And we can make that as a whole unit, or we can separate it and just do just the dog door unit. This unit here is our telescopic symmetric unit. We're utilizing tracking hardware from Hawa, and it has their 44 system in here. So you can have 4-door unit, slide these across, close off a huge opening in a residential or commercial space. It all will operate off of one door here, and you can open and close these. This system is not going to come with soft close, soft open capability, but it does offer the telescopic symmetric, or you can do 2 doors into one pocket or 3 doors into one pocket, a shared pocket system. Along with that one, we have a 2-door symmetric unit. So this one is also with the Hawa tracking hardware. And this one offers a symmetric system where you can open and close both doors together, up to 176-pound doors. This one does not offer soft close, soft open as well. Also, we have the Sugatsune model with no soft close, soft open, and this one is their synchronized version. Up to 276 pounds on those. If you're looking to do soft close, soft open, we've got the CS series here. We can start this from an 18-inch wide door and up to 200 pounds, and we can do soft close, soft open. And then also with that system, you can do from a 19-inch wide door, single door and up, and do soft close, soft open. We're also offering a bypass kit here now that has a double track. 2 doors can run in there for your closet, but now you don't have to use maybe the lesser grade, lesser quality track where the doors are just slamming inside there. You can do soft close, soft open again from 19-inch wide door and up. We can do those. And this one offers where you can either use a standard wood fascia on the front, or you can also do aluminum fascia on the backside here. You can see around the backside. That way your entire house can be soft closed, soft open. This is our 5500 series infused with the Hawa Acoustic. So this one has the seals on all 4 sides of the door, makes a seal over on the closing jamb, and on the rear side of the door it has another seal on the back that seals to the jamb here. There's a seal that pops out of the top of the door into the track, and also another one that goes into the flooring. That way you don't have to have any track at the bottom of the floor. You can do it with soft open, and then when it comes down to the end, it's going to close into these seals, and that way it's going to close off for light, sound, and smell. And you can get this in a variety of door sizes as well. This pulls over, there it is, closes it off. Next, we've got one here. This is our 3500 series for a 2x4 wall, 1 3/8 thick door, and this one has soft close, soft open, and it's got the Sugatsune FDE80 tracking hardware in it. You may know with the Sugatsune tracking hardware, they have a 2-piece track, so you can remove the portion that's in the opening, take that out so that you can access the door and the hardware without having to get inside of the pocket. That's their setup with that. Now you can do this one from a 32-inch wide door and up. Then we have another one here that is another 3500 series, and this one has the HD80 with the Hafele tracking hardware in it, and we offer this system through Spokane Hardware, the hardware hut. We have this system exclusively with them, and it has soft close, soft open capabilities from a 30-inch door and up, and it'll carry up to 176 pounds. Here we've got an arch application. You want to put an arch maybe to match some of your other arched openings or just highlight this opening. We can make a pocket frame kit that's going to match the arch detail in your door, or you could put a flush door in here. But we'll do an arch track cover at the head, and we can still do this with soft close, soft open. We can use our Blackout track. We can use a clear anodized track. Set it up. We can do it to any size radius to match what you've got going there. Make it look like it's symmetrical inside of the opening here. That one's been a staple of ours for the last decade, really. Speaking of the Top Line Grant, this one has Top Line Grant HD with low profile, and this is a floor to ceiling application. And we made it into a corner unit as well. So you got 2 doors coming together on the corner. We utilize the cavi lock handle with the magnetic latching. Pull that over on this side and latch in on that corner. It still has a soft close, soft open. So when you get a 4.0, 10.0 door and you just move that thing with one finger and push it into the pocket and open it up a room like that. We can do these for any size door, any size wall thickness, as with any of our frame kits. Then we have another one in here. This one is just an ordinary wall. And on this wall, we've got over here on this one corner an access to come into the bathroom. And this one has the Sugatsune MFU flush sliding system in here, and we incorporated it into a pocket system. So these take like an 8-inch wide wall. You can see we made the inside of this thing into a pocket as well. That way you can have it finished on the inside. And it's got the black anodized track up at the top. You can do this where it has a valance on the inside and it's more of a barn door style, or in this case we have it with we made it into a pocket.